You have probably heard of Uniswap. It's one of the popular crypto exchange built on Ethereum. It's been around for a long time and lets you swap tokens straight from your wallet. Sounds great, right? But there is the truth. The fees are often high, even for small swaps, and transaction can be slow when the network is busy. On top of that, it doesn't support moving tokens between different blockchains, so you are limited to just Ethereum. If you want to move funds from network like Arbitrum or BNB chain, for example, you will need to use other tools. So, Uniswap might be not the best choice. Now, PancakeSwap on BNB chain offers lower fees and some extra features like farming and staking. But it also has downsides. Some tokens have low liquidity or they are unavailable to swap, and some of the features doesn't even work. That's why I'm going to show you a platform that doesn't have these issues. It was built specifically to help users easily swap AVM tokens across network in just a few minutes. No need KYC and no need registration. Fast and secure swaps powered by trusted bridges. And guys, you can easily swap AVM tokens. For example, right now I want to send USDC on ERC20 network and receive USDT on Polygon network. And the amount I'm transferring is $1,000. Let's see what the total fee will be and click to find the best routes. And the system is analyzing the best way for your transfer. And guys, it's around $6. So the system even shows you exactly how the transfer works, including the route, the smart contracts used, and the full transparency of the process. That's more than twice as cheap as on the most popular platforms out there. So let's quickly verify the contract address. Over here, guys, if you click, and yes, it's the real one, which proves this is 100% legit. That means that we can safely contact our wallet and sign the transaction without worries. I want to mention, guys, that I have been personally using this platform for a while right now. It's fast, clean, and if you don't want to overpay for swaps, this is your perfect solution. Leave a like if this helped you out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next video. Bye!